Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is our Luxe luxury toy hauler. I want to talk a little bit about the 16-foot garage and what you can do in this garage. There's several things you can do. This one has an optional half bath. You can orient this bath one of two ways, the way it is now, or see that wall over there, you can put it long ways. Also, we've actually put full baths in here. This one here is a half bath. It's very nice and roomy for a half bath. It's got storage down below, storage up above. There's your toilet down there. Gives you plenty of room to sit. So hey, if you want to know more about our 16-foot garage and what you can do with it, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about our Luxe luxury toy hauler.